Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Today's sea cruise is for those of you who are 13 and up. This is really keen. Britannica, Encyclopedia Britannica wants to hear from you. It's true. So this is in a section called Britannica Beyond. I will put the link on the blog when I embed this. Add your voice to Britannica's history and join us as we create Britannica's future. If you are 13, even if you're 13, you may think, oh, I don't know a lot. You know a lot. You are an expert in your life. You've seen things other people have not seen. You know things that other people do not know. You go places other people do not go. They want to hear from you. You are the future. Our call for narratives. That means a story. Okay? So here we are. To God be the glory. Since 1768, Encyclopedia Britannica has worked with the world's premier partner institutions and experts. And you are an expert on you and your life. So we're just going to skip over that. These experts have contributed to Britannica's expanding knowledge footprint, all with the goal of helping the world's curious-minded seek and find information with confidence. You live in a place that no one else has been to. Even if it's just your street, you have a unique information that's particular to you that people need to know about. As Britannica continues to innovate in a world where fact and fiction collect ever more rapidly, we've embarked on a mission to elevate global conversations and curate noteworthy voices. You have a voice. Make the choice to be heard. We invite you to join our community of narrators so you can help too. And this is true. Now, if you're older, you can see me on Twitter at sister_Sue. That's sister_SU. S as in Sam, not F like fire truck. Okay, start your narrative. Get started. This is what you need to do. I hope this brings you through. So you need to put in a username or email. So log in to join the conversation, and if you don't have one already, slide down a little bit, create an account. This is what you're going to do. You're going to create an account. So you put in your email address. Here's my email, sistersuhoteldieu at gmail.com. Gmail is a great email to have. I'll do another thing on emails later. I'll create a username. I'm going to use the same one that I try to use everywhere. Capital SISTER_capital SU. Create a password. This password should be just for this site, or you might use one that's just for websites. Do not use the same password that you use for your email or anything else. So put a password in here. Now I change my threes. Sometimes I'll change my E's to threes and my threes to E's and my O's to zeros. Anyway, by signing up, here it is. By signing up, I agree I am older than 13 years of age. There you go. Doesn't say what country you need to be in. Just you need to be over 13. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and cookie use. This is a safe spot. I click that. Click submit. This is really important for you to take part. And they're looking for all kinds of different things that you can send. Oh, it says the email address you entered is already registered. Oh, I guess I am already registered, so I will sign in. Here we go. Okay. SISTERSUHOTEL. And I'm getting it's probably time for you to go. I'm so glad we had this time together. But remember, expect a miracle every day. Expect it when you pray. Expect a miracle every day. I'm sure you may have seen some wonderful books written by young people. I Am Malala. Maybe you've heard of that. You have unique, important information that you can share. Get it out there. Have a great day. Remember to pray, because God hears everything we think and sees everything we do. And I'm telling you, He is watching you and He loves you. The Lord's looking down with love. He said, I'm sending love. Yes, the Lord loves you, and let Him be with you, and let Him be there when you're going through tough, tough times. Reach out. Give Him a shout. He wants to hear from you. Whether you're going through a tough time or a good time, He's there all the time, and you can talk to Him. Amen.